What Soberlink did was really rebuild that trust with my parents. I just celebrated 6 months sober on the 1st, on New Year's Day. I was testing 3 times a day, 8 a.m., 1 p.m., and 8 p.m. Turn it on and just take out the little tube, attach it, open the app on your phone, and you just blow for like 3 or 4 seconds and the results get sent. It just became a mindless part of my daily routine. I just celebrated 6 months sober on the 1st, on New Year's Day. I first started drinking because drinking made my anxiety go away. I quickly saw that I was am a true alcoholic. Drinking every other day to drinking daily and really falling into the trap of maintenance drinking. It was like, I don't even feel confident anymore, and I'm more anxious than I ever have been. I was just so desperate, and I had heard sober people say how amazing sobriety is and how much it's changed their lives. I realized I can't keep living like this, and I do want what they have, so I need to actually get sober now for real. Without drinking, my life has completely changed. What Soberlink did was really rebuild that trust with my parents, because they were able to see my willingness every single day. Basically, I went from having no one trusting me at all to my parents trust me now. Just being able to reflect on that, everything is just a lot better.